It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion. This is for Tuesday, October the 1st. I'm Michael Groff. A very pleasant start to the day, but temperatures will be rising to above normal levels by later this week and the weekend. We're still way behind on rainfall for the year, so do we have any rain chances in sight? But we'll take a look at that too. But first, let's check out the almanac from yesterday. 91 degrees was the high in the valley, 68 the low. No rain in the bucket officially. So we wrap up the month of September checking out those climate stats as the 20th warmest overall. And with just a quarter of an inch of rain for the month, it was the 51st driest on record. And the monsoon for 2019 will finish out as one of the 5 driest all time. And outside now, here at 7:20 a.m., we've got sunny skies in the valley. 66 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 39, humidity 37%, wind from the east at 6, and the barometer 29.78 and rising. Temperatures out there this morning, it's pretty chilly. Fort McDowell and Goldfield, the cool spots at 53. It's 55 in Buckeye, as well as South Mountain Park, 59 in Avondale, mid-60s in the urban core. And the upper air look, we're showing you a different map every day, I promise you that, but the pattern just looks exactly alike. A sprawling ridge in the southeastern U.S. and a persistent cold upper trough out here in the western states. And where you have those clashes of air masses, you can see on the watch warning map, you have flash flood watches extending from the Rio Grande, north and eastward, all the way up toward Milwaukee and Grand Rapids. And that's where our severe weather outlook is for today, too. A slight risk from around Salina, Kansas, north and eastward to Madison, with a marginal risk for a good portion of the Plain States and the upper Midwest. And the tropics in the Atlantic Basin, still a couple of features to talk about out here. A little wave north of Hispaniola, a low-end risk that develops into something. And we still have Lorenzo. Max sustained winds, 100 miles per hour, and a hurricane warning now in effect for the Azores as this continues to race to the north and east. It will become a post-tropical low, losing its tropical characteristics as it impacts the British Isles, heads up towards Scotland later this week. And the precipitation outlook valid through next Tuesday morning from the WPC. Rain amounts here in Phoenix, nothing. Statewide, not much either. Maybe way over in the far eastern mountains, the White Mountains, a little bit of rain possible. Let's get into the details of it now as we check out the models and have a look. This is the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. There's our upper trough, all of the moisture and dynamics staying north of Arizona with a westerly flow aloft down here. At the surface today, we'll have mostly sunny skies. Highs this afternoon, upper 80s and low 90s. Tonight, clear skies, lows in the 60s. Tomorrow, sunny, again, highs, low 90s. On Thursday, a little bit of moisture may sneak into eastern Arizona, an isolated thunderstorm way over in the far eastern mountains. But other than that, sunny skies and highs for us, low 90s. And same thing on Friday, low 90s, mostly sunny skies. Ridging slowly starts to build in across the southwest over the weekend. Highs low to mid-90s for both Saturday and Sunday. Again, the sky stays sunny. The air mass remains dry. Monday, highs could get to the mid and upper 90s as the upper heights get to around 588 or 589 decameters. And then a week from today, this is Tuesday, the 8th of October. Still have ridging here across the southwest. Temperatures will remain above average, likely mid-90s or so, maybe even upper 90s. And then going out 10 days, this is the end of the forecast period, Thursday, the 10th of October, and that looks like more of a zonal flow in here, and temperatures would be falling back several degrees toward average. Speaking of temperatures, checking those out off the European ensemble, yes, it looks like above normal readings for a while around here. And then, yes, we will see temperatures gradually ease on down, but the overnight lows shouldn't be too bad, especially with drier air in here this time of year. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. And if you like our videos, be sure to subscribe, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll be notified. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Be safe out there, and you guys have yourselves a wonderful Tuesday.